In today's video, we are going to be working on the swing arm and getting that rusty piece of mess looking glorious again and how it did coming from the factory, and if not, even better. I know it's not the most exciting job in the world, but trust me, all these pieces are a part of a bigger puzzle, and that is this bike build. So enjoy the process, enjoy the restoration, and most of all, enjoy the video. So that is the swing arm done. I am super happy with how that's turned out. It looks so much better than that rusty heap that we had to start with. As you saw, I tried taking it apart and having a look inside just so in case I could go down the route of powder coating, but if you know these things, it's like opening Pandora's box, and if nothing's wrong with it, leave it. So there's no point trying to take it all apart just for the sake of powder coating. As you saw yourself, the VHT paint worked an absolute treat and it's looking super clean, so I'm really happy with my decision to leave that alone. Project Powder Coating have done a beautiful job with this gloss black on the actual swing arm itself, and I'm just super excited to get that bolted on the engine and back in the frame. It's a bit of a strange video, I do admit, this week, but we've got plenty to look forward to. I've got a few videos lined up to film over Christmas and over the New Year's, so hopefully we can get those out to you. But I'm really looking forward to sharing you with what I've got planned for next year, and I really cannot wait to share the news with you. But that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to my Patreons. They'll be seeing this before anyone else. They'll be getting this video early, so if you want that, link down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.